Hello friends, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are making classic Kerala combo which is creamy coconut rich vegetable stew with soft and fluffy appams. This comforting combination is light, flavorful and completely plant based. So let's start cooking. Here I have soaked rice for 4 to 5 hours. Rice is soaked well and ready for grinding. Now transfer the soaked rice to a mixer jar. Add water as needed and grind it to a smooth fine paste. Make sure there are no coarse bits left. The batter should be silky smooth for that soft appams. Check the comments for the exact measurement. Transfer the ground mixture to a vessel. Now take one ladle of this batter into a pan. To that add 2 cups of water and cook it on low flame until it thickens like a porridge. Cooking a portion of this batter gives the appams a soft spongy center with crispy edges. Keep aside and let it cool for some time. Now in the mixer jar, add grated fresh coconut, some cooked rice, thickened and cooked batter. To that add sugar, salt and yeast. Yeast is optional, you can use curd instead for fermentation. Grind everything to a smooth and creamy paste. Now mix well and allow the batter to ferment for 5 to 6 hours. Now let's make Kerala style vegetable stew. To the pan add coconut oil. Once the oil is hot, add whole spices that is cloves, cinnamon, cardamom and fennel seeds. Now add ginger, green chilies, few curry leaves and sliced onions and saute well until onions turn soft and translucent. Then add salt and 1 tablespoon of rice flour and cook for 1 minute. Now add vegetables of your choice. I have used potatoes and carrots for this stew. Let the potatoes and carrot cook for some time. Then add French beans and cook for 5 minutes. Now add second extract of coconut milk, that is thin coconut milk. Cook on low flame and keep stirring in between until the vegetables turn soft and are cooked. Now add the first extract of coconut milk, that is thick coconut milk, and cook until it's just warm and switch off the flame. Delicious traditional Kerala style vegetable stew is ready. The batter is well fermented now. Give it a good mix and check the consistency of the batter. Add water if required. It should be runny and smooth consistency. To make the appams, heat the appam pan, pour a ladle of batter, swirl it gently to spread and cook on medium flame with lid closed. And now the soft and lazy appams are ready, soft from the center and crispy from the edges. Hope you like this traditional Kerala style vegetable stew and appam recipe. Do give it a try and let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such amazing recipes. Thank you for watching.